You can see here. Sorry. See this, it is opening, but I'm not happy. Are you happy? Because side you can see black screen. This one is black screen. It's not that much of user friendly. Okay, you need to fill this gap also, these black colors. Okay, it's not the, see here, your desktop version is not coming here. Your desktop is not there. All those things. See, it's opening server manager. You can close it. Now I want to improve the speed. I want to improve the speed. You can give 4 GB like that also. Now how you want to see this? And what is the configuration of this machine? Go to my computer. This is C. My PC. You can drag this one to desktop. Yeah. Okay. You can remove whatever shortcuts. You can keep it whatever you want. Right. See, right click and you can see the properties. Your computer name. How you can see your computer name normally in your computer? Right click the desktop icon and you can see the properties. Same, go to the properties. See, this is Windows Server 2016 data center version. Your computer name is okay. This much. This is the what is something something blah blah. It is there and 3.25 memory we have given that. I want 2 cores, 2 I want to increase that 4 GB. Yes, it's possible. How to do that means you can shut down the machine. Okay, you can shut down this machine. Go here. Normally how 10 Windows will be working, same concept. The 3.25 memory is not sufficient. See here, shut down here. Shut down. Continue. You are shut downing your machine. Now see, automatically it will shut down. See, you'll come to know some idea. You'll come some. Okay, I have given 4 GB of memory, process 4, and I remove the software. Then you can power on the system. Okay, this is what we need to do. Once everything is okay, Windows 2016 or whatever maybe, then on top of Windows, you have to install SQL Server. Got it right? Clear? Okay. Now see this. Alt Control Delete. Password. Welcome. I want to have given. Okay. Now this is not required. This is looking awkward. I'm deleting all those things. It's deleted. Okay. Now see here. You can see black. Right side is black and left side is black colors. Why? Because of it is you have to install some VMware tools, small tools. That's it. Then it will comes picture like a like see normally if you install Windows 10 or whatever maybe you need to install drivers, some drivers, Wi-Fi driver or something like. For here also same type you have to install some small tools. Okay, that is the reason it's showing black color. If you do that then your screen will become big size. See here, go here top of that VMware, install VMware tools. Go to VM, install VMware tools. It will ask for that, just next, that's it. Automatically it will come. See here where it will comes. If you open this one, you can see here VMware tools. Just next click on that, auto run. Automatically it will run. Setup. Are you able to follow? Right?
Yeah.
See VMware tools. Just for to overcome these black screens, all those things. That's it. Go for next. Just blindly you can install. It's not but just a small piece, and automatically you'll come to know the difference if you install VMware normal tools. Like Wi-Fi drivers will be there, right? Wi-Fi drivers or movie drivers. If I want to do that in your 10 or 8, same like this. See, it shows installing VMCA driver, some services. See, installing some PCA, USB driver, all those things. Audio driver. See, screen has been changed. Automatically, the screen will change. Yes, done. See, that's it. That is the beauty of VMware tools. Finish. It will ask for restart. Let it restart. Anybody can say right click the properties and you can see the machine name, but I'm not interested in, if you say this type of answers they won't accept. As a senior level we are very seniors, right? See, I'll tell you that here also same, or wherever go to computer, CMD, mission name, post name, you have to see within 2 minutes I got it. Like this you have to say. See, I'm going here, go to the run, CMD, post name. Got it right? This type of answer should be there while interviewing.
Okay, sir.
Now my client is asking a rename. This is not, it's not a good, it's not good. Computer post name. It's not good, it's ugly. I can say that something is there. I want to rename my computer. How I can do that? How I can do? Go to
You can go to the same place, properties, and
properties, change the setting. Yeah, change the settings. Change this computer name. Windows Server Windows Server 2016 or whatever you want to do that, you can give it. It will ask for reboot. See, it will ask for reboot. Then, okay, restart now. Like this, you have to change computer name. These are all basic things. This machine, this only this operating system, now they will hand over to you. Okay, now they will hand over username, password, they will give it to you. You have to install SQL Server. That's it. Got it right?
Sir, can you please repeat that? What is the last part you said?
See, they will hand over to you. This is ready. Windows administrators, system administrators, they will hand over this machine to you. Install SQL Server. Everything is ready. On top of this, you have to install SQL Server. Whatever problems, if you face that, you have to fix. Fix, then finally you can install SQL Server. No coding in our database here, no coding will be there. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, now see, now you can calculate the computer name. Okay, go here, properties. See, Windows 2016, your computer name. Go to run command. First name, see, Windows 2016. Okay. Any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow. We'll install SQL Server from scratch. This is the machine, it is ready. Okay, tomorrow we'll see the session.
And sir, one last question. For